In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to make your text pop with a bright hue, create a professional feel with subtle tones, or simply align the text color with your branding, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Changing text color is a simple yet powerful way to customize your site and enhance its overall design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to confidently modify text color on your Wix website. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Wix account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Wix website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can manage all your sites and projects. Next, navigate to the My Sites section of your dashboard. You'll find this option in the main menu, typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all the websites associated with your account are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific site you want to work on. Once you've identified the site you want to edit, click on it to open the Wix Editor. The Wix Editor is the platform's user-friendly tool that allows you to make changes to your site's design and content. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a preview of your website, along with all the editing tools available to you. Now, locate the text on your website that you want to modify. Scroll through the page and find the exact section where the text is. This might be a header, a paragraph, or even a small label. Once you spot the text, click on the text box to highlight it. You'll notice that the text box becomes active, allowing you to edit the content or adjust its settings. With the text box selected, look to the right side of your screen. This is where the text settings menu is located. The text settings menu is your go-to area for making changes to the appearance of your text, including the font, size, alignment, and most importantly, the color. In the text settings menu, find the paint bucket icon or the option labeled color. This is where you'll be able to change the color of your selected text. Once you see this option, click on it to open the color selection tool. At this point, you have two options for selecting a color. You can choose a color from the preset color palette, which includes a variety of shades and tones designed to complement your site's theme. Alternatively, if you have a specific color in mind, you can enter a color code. For example, if you know the exact hex code or RGB values of your brand's color, you can input it here for a precise match. Once you've selected or entered your desired color, confirm your choice by clicking on it. You'll immediately see the text update to reflect the new color. Take a moment to check if the color suits your design and is easy to read against the background. Before finalizing your changes, it's a good idea to preview your site. In the Wix Editor, you can use the preview option to see how your site will look to visitors. This step is important to ensure your text color is visually appealing and provides enough contrast for readability. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. This ensures that all the adjustments you've made are stored and your website is updated with the new text color. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text color on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.